Oh, I am suspect to you. I am suspect for you. The many things you doing, I know everything. The many things gonna wrong, I know everything. I am a suspect you. I'm suspect for you. Why you see me, you run away. You don't do anything against me. Why you see me, you run away. You don't do anything against me. Don't fear anything for your life. I want to say the truth for you. You say them anything to the people. I'm ready for you. I come to reply you. Maybe you don't know actual time. I don't give you time. No matter how it is, I can reply you. Don't fear anything for your life. Don't fear me. Why you run away to going? Every day, every time, everything you doing for your life. If you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself. Let me tell the truth for you. Many things you say, now I get a time for you. Nobody to stop my beef. I can't fight against you. You don't know. The time will come. The time will come to you. Anything you think, I come to do the everything. The thing you think about me, I have time to you. Oh, you my suspect. I am suspect for you. You run away. Why you run away from me? I say don't run away. Wait me to say that thing for my life. I get a time for you. Maybe you don't know. I am ready for you. Many people not understand that thing happened to you. It is my Lord. Nobody to stop me.